Welcome to our journey through the untold secret of the Indian flag, the symbol of India's sovereignty, unity, and diversity. During the struggle for India's independence, there was a need for a symbol that would represent the aspirations of the Indian people. Pingali Venkai was a freedom fighter and a dedicated nationalist who is credited with designing the Indian national flag. The flag designed by Pingali Venkai was hosted for the first time on August 15, 1947 when India gained independence. In 2019, India entered the Guinness World Record for creating the largest human flag where over 50,000 people gathered to form the tricolor. Flying the flag with respect and dignity is not just a tradition, it is a law. It is more than just a piece of fabric. It is the soul of the nation, the symbol of the hopes, dreams, and aspirations. Stay proud, stay united, and may the tricolor continue to inspire generations to come.